When it comes to great views, there are few as good as you get from up here on Knockagh Hill. This is where we start our Ulster-Scots tour of Carrickfergus, because it was near here that Fergus, the Ulsterman who became the first king of Scotland, was buried 1500 years ago. Of course, the very name Carrickfergus brings to mind one mighty building, and even after 800 years, Carrickfergus Castle still has the power to impress. But did you know the French once captured it? And the town? Well, you'll learn all about that and more on this tour. There are some great Ulster-Scots families here too, like the Bryce family, for example. They've been Presbyterian ministers and influential traders. They even lived in a bishop's palace at one time. Whitehead may look like a charming seaside town today, but in the 1600s it was an important defensive point for Scots settlers with its own castle and garrison. Then it's back to Carrickfergus for our final destination, the calm surroundings of St Nicholas's medieval church. And of course, your guide to all this is in the palm of your hand. The Ulster-Scots app is easy to use and it is packed full of useful information. And you can use the accompanying brochure and map to plan more visits to other Ulster-Scots sites. You'll find interpretive panels like these along the way, and remember to scan these QR codes for even more local Ulster-Scots stories. So let's go and explore the Ulster-Scots heritage of Carrickfergus as well as Lisburn and Newtonabbey.